You lost another one.
Guys, David, where are you? David! What's good? Long time no see. Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day. As you guys saw in the clip before, I picked up my boy David from the airport last night. He flew in at midnight, so we had a late night last night, so we got some rest. And today we are starting, as you guys read from the title, we are vinyl wrapping the G37. I am so damn hyped, guys. I haven't wrapped a car since my 335i BMW. And guess who wrapped that BMW? David. He does absolutely amazing work. He's been doing it for years, and that wrap is still on the BMW 4 to 5 years later with the new owner, and he's still rocking the satin black. But today, guys, I'm sure you guys can see in the thumbnail, I was thinking about doing it like a black and white video, but I thought that would just be boring. So really early on in this video, you guys are gonna see the color once we start wrapping the vinyl. I just wanna show you guys right away because I'm so excited, and I really want the thumbnail to be dope because this color is something I've always wanted to wrap one of my cars. Oh my God, it's just gonna look so dope on the G, especially with the wheel setup. Big thanks to Vinyl Frog for hooking your boy Steezy up with the vinyl wrap and providing the wrap for today's video and the install. I'm so hyped, guys. There's so many colors to choose from Vinyl Frog, so it was kind of hard to choose what colors because I had something in mind. I knew what vision I had for this car, but looking at all the vinyl colors, you know, I was kind of indecisive. There's so many dope colors to pick from. If you guys are looking to vinyl wrap your car, check out Vinyl Frog, guys. I guarantee you guys will find a color that you will love. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below, and if you do check out the website and end up getting a vinyl, let your boy Steezy know what color you got and what kind of car you're wrapping. I'd love to know in the comments below. But guys, I am so hyped right now, like my heart is racing. Let's just get into it, guys. My boy David is about to come out any minute now. We had a long night, like I said. We got home at like 1 a.m. in the morning, so let's get it. I'm hyped. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. David is outside now. And guys, last night was a long, late night. We were just talking about it. Both of us couldn't go to bed last night. We were just like too much on our mind.
Too hyped.
Yeah, too hyped that he finally landed. David said he's actually worked with Vinyl Frog vinyl before, so that makes me relieved because he knows what kind of vinyl we're working with today. And yeah, guys, David's taking a few selfies. All right, bro, open up the vinyl. I want to get your reaction to the color.
Or is it already
it's already open. You know I had to peek at it.
Is this black?
No, that's for the top, remember?
Oh shit.
For the roof. There it is.
Okay, here we go.
Bro.
Oh, that's got a nice blue to it, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I thought so too. This color is gonna look so dope. I'm super hyped to even see it on the car with the Conseil wheels. I feel like the center of the Conseil wheels are gonna look like match it perfectly. This is gonna be magnificent. Like I said, we're gonna do black on the roof to offset it, because like I had that on my wide body G. I had like the black roof vinyl, and then I think it would look really nice with the carbon fiber mirror caps too. I think it will complement it real nicely.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The black will tie all the dark accents and shit.
Well, you heard the man. I'm hyped that David thinks it's a dope color that I picked also, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's a little hot here in AZ, so enough of me talking, guys. Let's get it. As you guys just saw, me and David cut out all the pieces for the car. All the vinyl pieces are all cut. Smart move with David. He does this usually with all his wrap processes. It just makes it a lot more organized and you're not just going back and forth like cutting like back to back. So we got them all cut out now. We're gonna start on the hood. So I went down and wiped it with some alcohol with a microfiber towel so that no like dust particles are gonna get underneath the vinyl wrap. And yeah guys, I'm hyped to see the first vinyl get laid down, and yeah, let's see it. Alright, David just got done wrapping the first piece on the car, the hood. And guys, it looks so sick. I'm so in love with this color already. Once you get that first panel like done, you can actually get like a vision of what the car's gonna look. And we're about to drop the hood right now. Boom! Bro, that color is
Total mood
sick.
changer, bro.
Yeah.
Why
Dude.
does it look like 20 times meaner?
It really does. It honestly kind of looks dope with just the hood like that too.
Why is it into the headlight somehow?
Yeah. Dude, I'm gonna be so hyped to see this color right next to the headlight. Damn, bro. And it looks so good, bro. So impressed with how it came out. First piece done, many more to go. We're probably gonna start on the fenders right now, right? We're gonna with the fenders.
Are next.
I'm gonna order us food right now because I am starving. Me and David both haven't eaten.
I'm dying.
And yeah, it's so damn hot out here. So I'm gonna order some food right now. I'll see you in just a sec. Yeah. So we're coming along, guys. I just took off the door handle. It was my first door handle I've ever taken off. I'm honestly a little proud of myself because I've never taken off a door handle before and didn't want to strip anything or break anything. But look at this, guys. David has gone to work while I was taking off that door handle. He pretty much has this whole quarter panel laid. He's just going around cutting off the edges. Oh my God, look how much it makes the taillights pop. Just looks super clean, especially with like the polished wheels. I'm happy. I'm a happy man, David.
Happy Dan.
Hell yeah. Like literally this color, I'm so happy I picked. Today is the day, guys, that we complete the G37. We got to get straight to work. Kind of got a late start today, but honestly, there's not that much we need to do, just a couple inlets. But that's all good because we only have a couple more things to do that will probably only take like 2 hours. I need to go ahead and install this front splitter. The front splitter is going to make this front bumper and front end just tie in together so much better. I was joking with David that this front bumper kind of looks like an Ultima bumper without the splitter, but with the carbon fiber front splitter, it's going to make it look so steezy. And yeah, I'm going to throw that on right now.
It. I had a bunch of thick wire laying around.
And just like that, guys, the car is finally finished and wrapped by my good friend David Dawson over here. Round 2 was a success. The first one was the 335i in satin black. And now, guys, here we have the Nardo gray with slate tint to it. Absolutely love this color. It is so sick, especially in like the sunlight. This color is absolutely insane. And I really like what David did right here. He left the diffuser cut out black, so it makes it look like I have like a built-in diffuser, he called it, which is pretty dope. Like, I absolutely love. I also want to give a big thanks to Vinyl Frog for providing your boy with the vinyl wrap. This vinyl wrap process was definitely a fun experience, especially having my boy come out to AZ, getting to kick it with him in the garage, wrapping the G37. And like I said before, if you guys are thinking about vinyl wrapping your car or in the market looking for some vinyl, check out Vinyl Frog. I'm gonna have the link in the description below. I also got a discount code in the description below. So that's my thanks to you guys for checking out the video and checking out Vinyl Frog at their website. And guys, I'm just so excited to have a completely different looking car. Look at how clean that is, bro. Like, what? Completely different car.
Speeding off in the Audi, phone bitch right beside me. House in the valley, green grass and the palm trees. I'ma stay on road, true to the code. Watch it all unfold. Now you know, I'ma go all out tonight. You all are in for a ride. She wanna come to my side. Posted up sex with a vibe. Fuck up with all of the ice. Pulling her off to the side. You know she mine for the night. And I'm not taking no bribes. Keeping the light in your bar. Remember when they all used to decline. Now she hit me all the time. That's how it goes. Can't get attached to a hoe. Yeah, you know that's a no. Won't leave my city, I'm home. Bringing it back.